retriever. Coat texture is more important than having perfect curls here. It's supposed to be dense and crisp, as you might imagine. And they're probably the tallest of the retriever breeds as well.
Is he going to get a lot of points off for his behavior?
I think, being enthusiastic is okay, as long as the handler can get it under control when the charges there and underneath. There goes
The flat-coated retriever was developed in England more than a century ago. He excels as an upland shooting dog and as an efficient water retriever. Today's flat coat is active, cheerful, and elegant, a versatile family companion and a hunting retriever characterized
Boss, you were
by
upset about the Boston not winning last night in the non-sporting.
And a happy wagging tail.
Yeah, Botch.
This is flat-coated retriever number 6.
It's happy wagging tail indeed. They are people-oriented, kind of a Peter Pan dog. They don't grow up very quickly. Gonna be a puppy forever. Dog Colby, we hear from the crowd. A 9-year-old dog, a male from Monroe, Washington.
Yeah.
Carter handler.
Oh, he's cute.
Okay, right around. There we go.
Kind of smart.
The Terrier, of course, is a long